Chief Minister inaugurates the 24th Khurpui Lam Festival, appeals people to protect ethnic group irrespective of the population. BJP Manipur Pradesh also celebrates NDA government's completion of 4 years in power, highlights achievements of the government. And Congress bears fangs as Modi government completes 4 years in office, takes on the government for damaging the country socially and economically. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren Singh urged the people of the state to discard the notion of belonging to small or big community and put in joint effort to bring development of the state by upholding the sense of oneness. He was speaking as a chief guest at the opening session of the 24th Khurpui Lam Festival 2018 at Chandrakirti Auditorium Palace Compound today. As per the Kom legends, Kom people started celebrating Khurpui Lam Festival after killing a tiger which attacked them when they were living in the caves. Khurpui means cave and Lam means dance. The Chief Minister said people of around 36 communities have been living together harmoniously in the state since time immemorial, and that it is the beauty of unity in diversity which people of other states and countries are curious about. Large number of people of Kom community residing in remote corners of the state attended the festival, which was organized on the theme "A Movement for Peace and Harmony Through Cultural Integration." Stating that every community should learn to respect other communities, big or small, Nongthongpam Biren opined that no group community should try to subdue any tribe or community in any manner. Biren also lauded the Kom community for protecting their culture and identity despite being a small community. Responding to organizers of the festival's urge to the Chief Minister to convert Khurpui Lam Festival into a state festival, he said that decisions will be taken after discussing with the elders of the community. The Chief Minister further highlighted various schemes undertaken by the state, especially the Go to Village and Go to Hills, which covered 227 villages in the state. He maintained that out of 3 lakh complaints submitted by the people, only 1 lakh remains to be addressed and assured that it will be completed within a week. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren also greeted the NDA government in its completion of 4 years of governance.
Akhoi Manipur, the latest tribe Kutraga Pumdoi, recognized over the recognized view Haidana was pending labor, Ani Okumamaga. 36 tribe pikraba Manipur sa preliminaries. Alugi fajabaduni ngasi Prithvi miyamna tamningai way na hai. Bharat Sarkar na hana khangamdragasu Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji laaba matungda Northeast ki beauty se akhoi 240 tribes kumbale. Okay, akhoi ni language ngang basna 180 language kumbale. Mafam amada Prithvi ka mafam de pa ma thokte. And Masiga Mari Lena Mayam, the Hanging Masi, Manipurda, Mamanda, or Hojikshu Karagata, Akan Mana Aswan Batu Hutpa, Achoba Zatina, Zati Masashi, Yosan Nabalaknaba, Sugumbase, Daway. I minority in a swan Tabagimatamate, I majority in a Kankat Pagimatamate. I quite sheer to on the majority Wagera, minority Wagera, Masigi was a Tonga and Tamuraganda, we are all Manipuris.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has expressed happiness at the NDA government's completion of 4 years in power and BJP-led state governments over 1 year in power. The Chief Minister also expressed that it is the fate of the people of the country that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will retain his prime ministership in the upcoming parliamentary election 2019. Chief Minister Biren was addressing media persons at the conference hall of BJP Manipur Pradesh office in celebration of the successful rule of BJP at the centre as well as the state. Biren reiterated people of the state could not avail the benefits of the schemes during the Congress rule due to non-implementation of already prevalent schemes. He maintained that the advent of Narendra Modi-led government improved the living condition of the people with implementation and introduction of various welfare schemes. The Chief Minister stated that the Ujjwala scheme initiated under the BJP government was able to successfully distribute free LPG gas connections to 39 crore households across the country. Further, under Mudra Yojana, the government has sanctioned altogether 23 crores to provide loans to 56,94,876 loanees, facilitating self-employment opportunities to all the educated youths of the country. Further crediting the Prime Minister for establishing the first sports university of the country in Manipur, he lauded the present government for giving special attention in sports. Biren also stated that the government has provided reservations for women in the recruitment process of all government departments, besides providing maternity leave for a minimum of 26 weeks. He said government had also constructed 46,36,000 community toilets, including 3 lakh public toilets. Biren also mentioned that the government has declared 2,212 cities across the country and 22 cities in the state to be open defecation free, and that the government has plans to facilitate construction of 9,000 houses in the urban area and 20,000 in the rural areas of the state under PMAY. The Chief Minister maintained that funds for the same has already been sanctioned by the centre.
Prime Minister kanana woigadagi kanana wohenninge na public opinion lobakanda some channels Prime Minister Modi na dum woigadamne se 75%, some channels 55%. Aduna Modi ji ki popularity si last 4 years da aduki matik haigale chin khatana te mana to with action practical aduna ni public support mangonda yamna laise kidney ki dialysis chi bhaw bodai koi free to hole hai report puno si Prime Minister Modi ji ki NDA government ge aduma makhada lakpa adunga to hoiba akoi pradhan mantri gi suraksha bima yojana gi makhada lupa train thoi ka thiraga koi accident insurance lupa lakh ani phangba gi kudong sa lai hai scheme se koi saida khangna da yam yauri aduba ikoi na handa ikoi gi go to village mission se da hai ba mayam sine ikoi na khangal laga moi da benefit piraga praja sing gi kana na ba na ikoi na ju honoris.
The Congress party takes on NDA government for damaging the country socially and economically as it celebrates 4 years in power today. Congress party held protests across the country alleging the NDA of failing to keep its promises. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also staged a sit-in in front of Congress Bhavan today. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, MPCC President T.N. Haukip and many party members attended the protest. Various placards condemning the NDA government were displayed at the sit-in. Speaking to media persons, opposition leader Okram Ibobi alleged that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP government cannot keep its promises made to the people of the country before and after the elections. He maintained that the BJP-led government in the state also cannot undertake any developmental work properly. Ibobi appealed the BJP government to stop deceiving the people.
Center the Lariba NDA government se sahi mari complete ore moinadi thabak mayam ama tawkhibadawna moinadi celebration even Manipur da su tawba yai mayam na su hena khangbirabani makoina election mamangda amasung election matungda India ki praja singda commitment pihiba false promise mayam ama tawkhibado hojikti India da laiba praja sing aduga Manipur da laiba praja sing na su center da laiba NDA ki government masigi partner ama woriba state da laiba BJP na litauba state government sidasu sab manana false promise propaganda mayam ama tawbasina India da laiba praja singna hojikti khangne.
Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam alleged that Narendra Modi government does not walk the talk. He maintained that the NDA government has not done anything substantial. Instead, it continues to betray the people. Gaikhangam said the terrorists kill with just a handful of persons. With their attacks, however, alleged that the BJP government is tormenting millions of people in the country consistently.
Sahi mari pharak pasida karigumba thabak ama pokpa khat pasi udaba wada ngang ba Praja Singbu chit toba. Oi the padama mayam ngangaga. Praja se pange matagum betray to biba hatari. Nam thak to dana. Promise aranba the washakayama. Taugani and Toramado. Sahi Mari Para Abaya say have achievement utpa yarak labamatamni. Adu Hawada Karimas Tautaba. Adabu. Oi the part of Mayama Sahi Mari Chup Nangang to Penetra Amukasu. Madu the Hang later. Maramadana is Sarkar Sidi. Preserve betray over Nam Thak to Sarkar ni Hadina. Adugumba Nam Thak to Bagi to Matawado against that. Equa Masiki protest sit-in protest nice to Javani.
As observed all across the world, International Hawkers Day was also observed in the state, commemorating an age-old industry which celebrates sustainable consumerism today. Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Manipur also observed the day at GM Hall. Speaking on the occasion, President of the association Kedrimayum Tama said street vendors are everyday breadwinners supporting their family. He said these vendors are selling by the roadside as they are not provided place in the market sheds. However, they face a lot of inconveniences because of the atrocities meted out by Manipur police and traffic police towards them. He stated that despite the order of the Supreme Court against harassment and extortion of the street vendors, harassment are still meted out to the vendors. Tama appealed to Chief Minister Nongthongman Bireen to provide a proper marketplace for the street vendors. Representatives of many civil society organizations and street vendors from different parts of the state attended the observance.
Nungmagi chara tanjariba imaibal singasi ekoi yam seng na haira kanda makoida ngak laitena ekoi police ki side ki harassment tawbiriba kana no ekoi authority ki side ki harassment tawbiriba se ekoi supreme court na ekoi street vendor singasi harassment tawbiganu makoi singasi ain gi oiba ekoi protection ama pibidana makoi bu yam ingna chingna santi oina phamalu haibado ngasi phawbudadi Manipur da madu thabak oina onthokpa udri maram maduna kai khum najariba ekoi ki honorable chief minister na Manipur sarkar na athuba matamda cabinet decision laudana ekoi town bending committee ama sembidana hariba street vendors singa sibu mafam chana makhoi gi oiba bending zone ama thambidana matam punamakta ingda chikda santi oina phamba ngaman view.
Joint Students Forum, DM College of Arts, Commerce and Science has warned of intense hesitations if the government fails to issue a notice regarding conversion of the college into a university by the 30th of this month. Speaking to media persons, convener of the forum, Arambam Vikash, stated that the forum, through a press release, had urged the government to expedite the process on May 19. However, it has not responded till date. He expressed that even though upgrading the college into a university is exhilarating and will bring about a positive change in the education sector, delay on taking consequent steps to provide all the facilities of being a university has made the students apprehensive.
Lagliba session asidagi PG subjects in Hingadan Biu Haina Haja Krabani, Adu Ngasi Fawada, Lebak Miam Praza, sing the official notice Amata Tokpa Latri, Aduna, Handaki Megi Tang Kutrasi Manunda, Satra Kunagi Kanbiraga, Amasung Education University all Asi Olapagi, and Sobamangal Pigani Haina Satra Kunai Tazaba Lariba Asi, Kagumba Gorman Asina. Tari Kuntrasibo Manungda, official notice Amata Lebak Prazamiam, the Kanganda Targadi, Dem campus Asida, Hogitoling Daba Togdoka Torok Labadi, Adugi Afafata Dita Kudima, Concerned Department Amasung, Manipur Government Puzagadam Nihaina, Dem Joint Student Forum na Apple Togzeri.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a 2-day seminar on assessment of higher educational institutions by NAAC, problems and prospects. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam inaugurated a 2-day national seminar organized with an aim to provide quality education in all the institutions of the state. Stating equity, accessibility and quality as the most important factor in education, the minister maintained that sacrifice of the teachers, dedication of the students and support from family is mandatory in bringing quality education. The seminar on assessment of higher educational institutions by NAAC, problems and prospects is being organized by Maharaja Bodhachandra College under the sponsorship of Directorate of University and Higher Education at the multipurpose hall of the college in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Radheshya maintained that even though teachers, parents and students play a significant role in attaining quality education, it is the fundamental responsibility of all teachers to guide and mentor the students in the right path. He further maintained that workshops and seminars are important. However, it will be futile if they are not translated into action. Taking part in the seminar, Associate Professor of Department of Sociology, JNU, Dr. A. Bimol stated that since only 22 out of 73 colleges in the state are accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC), it is important to establish a self-assessment council in the state. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, and professors from various institutions attended the program.
Nak aise karino aise khanga kanda why aise karino phallo namda how from I apply tawani hai khang ragadi apoi phangoi dori ba adana this is very important quite more another see phangna bona pada kari dakar lege kanda the role of teachers, the role of the students and the role of the non-teaching staff. Our boys and girls, they are talented, they are very intelligent, they are gifted. Only thing is a little bit of push and pull. If we are properly guide to vidava, mentoring to vidava. So quite important what you say, apoi samaj ma same guy taradi the teachers.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has extended his congratulations to the toppers of the High School Living Certificate Examination 2018 conducted by the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. In his congratulatory message, the Chief Minister said that hard work is a recipe to success. By dint of hard work and perseverance, the toppers have made their parents and teachers proud. He also congratulated all the students who have passed the matriculation examination. He expressed happiness to learn that the pass percentage of this year is the highest in the last 10 years of HSLC examination. He also wished the students good luck in their future endeavors. Kanglei Park Students Association in a press release has alleged that some private schools in the state are luring position holders of the HSLC examination by bribing them. The association further warned relevant authorities to stop such activities immediately. Apunba Iraipaki Mahairol Singpanglup has resolved that chairman of Sika Higher Secondary School, Longjam Anand Kumar, will be in charge of the school till March 2020. The student organization also asserted that AIMS will keep a strict vigil to keep the school atmosphere intact. Speaking to media persons at its office at Kwakaithel, Rajesh Yumnam said the decision of the founder secretary of the school, Konsam Surbala, to dismiss the chairman in the middle of 2018-19 academic session is an act to disrupt the school atmosphere and against the students. He said the student organization resolved to intervene in consideration of the students and decided that Longjam Anand Kumar will be in charge of the school till 2020 as per the wishes of the students.
Yamna Mahiroi Kunaibu Semgadaba, Sahiyama Dagina Sahiyama Boxin academic session of Oirakanda, Satra Singbu smoothly Larikta Mangadaba, Mahiroi Sing the Akaiba Piba academic session, Tankai Chalaga, Magi School ni to ona, Hector Haibase, Masi Mioibagi, Minung Sigi Wang Madani, out of low dani, Magna Toribase, undue influence on a contract ni, Magna Toribase, pro ni, for 20 ni, Anan School class 9 Kariba, Mahiroi Sing Asina 10, Taba Pauba. 11 karak liba mairoi sing asina 12 thaba phawba school ase anan na paibada apunba Iraipaki mairoi sinpanglof AIMS na look after tawraga school asibo aswangam yaudana yangsingani.
Manipur Students Federation in a press release condemned the act of a teacher of Cambridge English School, namely Pradeep Vishwakarma, who beat up a student reading in class 5. On the other hand, the organization also stated that cleanliness drive will be conducted in all educational institutes in Kakching district as part of World Government Day. Pukrambam Kajau Memorial Trust organized the 128th death anniversary of Pukrambam Kajau at Kangmong, where the martyr breathed his last. Speaking on the occasion, Art and Culture Minister Langpolakpam Jayantakumar stated that people of the state sacrificed their lives as a community does not want to be subjugated. The minister assured that the memorial site of the freedom fighter will be converted into a tourist spot within this month. It may be mentioned that Pukambram Kajal was hanged to death by the British for assassinating British political agent Mr. Grimwood in 1891. State Mission Director of National Health Mission Manipur and Bandana has stated that Health Minister L. Jantakumar will launch Intensified Diarrhea Control Fortnight 2018 campaign at the conference hall of Jenims on the 20th of this month. Speaking to media persons at her office in Medical Directorate Lumphel today, Bandana said the main objective of the program is to curb the risk of childhood diarrhea among children under 5 years of age and to achieve zero death rate from the disease. She stated that Asha and Anganwadi members will conduct door-to-door campaign in their respective district, will give hand-washing demonstration, and the offices of CMO will provide zinc and ORS as part of the program, which will conclude on June 9th.
Manipur se India gi 2014 gi report ki matungina khwaidagi highest child diarrhea gi prevalence ni, not death ki natabako child diarrhea se under 5 children da aduga zinc and ORS phangbagi prevalence na mo quite lowest. Aduna madugi do koi yaring kai diarrhea na yam wange aduga zinc ORS phangbas na yam neme aduna ani sigi imbalance asi koi 100 ki fortnight da yam na lu na lawzaraga ORS zinc order sing se village sing yauna loina koi yenthoksanaba laizare hard to reach area amadi yamna risky oiba jaga very poor hygienic oina leiba jaga sing sidaisu hoina mobile team gumba ama semaga tongana campaign ama tawada ka.
A free medical camp for elderly persons above 60 years of age was held at Kakjing Khunau Thongam, Awang Laikai Mandop in Sukno constituency of Kakjing district today. The camp was organized by Rural Development Society, Wangjing, under the aegis of Mobile Medicare Services for Senior Citizens for the year 2018-19. Mobile Medicare Services for Senior Citizens is an organization sponsored by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Speaking on the occasion, project coordinator of RDS, Laisangthem Damu, maintained that the medical camp was organized with an objective to provide good health facilities to elderly people in remote villages. He further stated that the organization aims to conduct similar programs in 7 other places of the state. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp, attended by more than 40 elderly persons of the locality. A fundraising function of Asha Kiran Konsam, who will represent India at Mrs. Universal 2018, was held today at Hotel Imphal. It may be mentioned that Asha Kiran Konsam was selected from 2 contestants to represent India at a beauty pageant to be held in August at Omaha in the United States of America. Asha Kiran Konsam was crowned Mrs. Iowa India 2017 and also bagged Mrs. Fitness and Mrs. Talented Iowa India 2017 title. Twelve Assam Rifles under the aegis of 26th Sector Assam Rifles IGAR South distributed more than 1 lakh fruit saplings to villages of 31 villages in Tengnopal district today. The saplings were distributed with an aim to discontinue jhum cultivation and to enhance the economy of the people and maintain an eco-friendly environment in the state. All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union observed its 19th Foundation Day at its office on the campus of JN Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The organization also appealed to all the cultural organizations to promote art and culture of the state sincerely. Kanglei Khumang Tijin Yon, in collaboration with Model Higher Secondary School Takyel, organized the third Khangminashi lecture series on Indian rainfall variability in the wake of changing global climate scenario yesterday. The fourth lecture of the series will be held at Slopeland Public School, Khongjom on the 2nd of June. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister inaugurates the 24th Khurpui Lam Festival, appeals people to protect ethnic group irrespective of the population. BJP Manipur Pradesh also celebrates NDA government's completion of 4 years in power, highlights achievements of the government. And Congress bears fangs as Modi government completes 4 years in office, takes on the government for damaging the country socially and economically.